Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, and then find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, and here tap on this camera icon. And as you can see, we can choose between two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option. Let me tap on the photo, and here in this section we can change the size and the position of this highlighted square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you're happy with your choice, just confirm it here in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo has been applied to the circle, and if you are sure that you want to leave it like this, remember to tap on save in the right upper corner again. Alright, and as you can see, this is how our photo will, basically the contact will look like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.